Your Forex broker could be manipulating your trades right now, and you wouldn't even know it. Brokers can rig your charts, trap you in losing trades, and steal your money. In this video, I will expose how they do it. I will show you a real example how brokers' manipulation can lead to bad trading decisions and significant losses. If you ever felt that the market is rigged against you, smash the like button and keep watching, because what I'm about to show you will change the way you trade forever. By the end of this video, you will never look at your trading charts the same way again. This story started with a trading live stream in my trading academy with my students. We spotted a nice setup to trade. Setup that I spotted is on silver. As you remember on the previous live streams, we discussed this recently broken structure. We have a very strong support cluster that the price is currently testing, and because the trend is strongly bullish, we may assume that from that support the market is going to continue growing, that from that support a strong bullish movement will initiate. Analyzing the intraday price action on a 4-hour time frame, we can see a strong rejection after the test of that support. You can see that we formed a very long tail. You can see that the price was trying to drop lower, but it was strongly rejected, and we see clear, strong, bullish pressure here. On an hourly time frame, we can spot a very nice bullish pattern. Here we have double bottom pattern. The price has already completed the pattern, and this pattern we can use for buying silver. This pattern can be used as the confirmation. The signal that we will look for to buy will be the hourly candle close above the neckline of the pattern, and then we will set a buy limit order on a retest, and we will anticipate growth to the closest strong resistance. And from a current perspective, our closest strong resistance is right here, and we will keep our take profit couple of pips below that. Stop loss will lie below the lows of the pattern. So that is the potential long trade for silver. The logic of this trade was to look for a bullish signal after the test of this daily and 4-hour structure support. And the confirmation signal was a bullish price action pattern, the cup and handle pattern on an hourly time frame, and the breakout of its neckline. When I got the entry signal, I opened my trading terminal to execute the trade. And the way I trade is very specific. I use TradingView for chart analysis, but I use a separate trading terminal for trade execution. By the way, I will leave the link to my broker in the description to this video. When I opened the same chart and the same trading setup in my trading terminal, I got a completely different picture and a very bearish signal. How could it be? I used the trading terminal of IC Markets broker, and here is how this trading setup looks on IC Markets charts. You can see that here we have a confirmed breakout of that support, and at the moment we see the retest of a broken structure. From such a perspective, it looks like a clear signal to short. It is the signal that the market is likely will drop lower. And if we check other brokers like Forex.com, for example, we will see absolutely the same picture. We have the support breakout and the retest of that. And you can see that the only exception are the charts of the Wanda, the broker that I use for the analysis on TradingView. That is one more example. FXCM broker. Again, confirmed breakout of a support. Something was definitely rigged here. Only the broker that I used for chart analysis on TradingView provided a bullish signal for silver, while other brokers had very bearish charts. I felt like something is going on here, so I decided not to take a trade. And look what happened then. You can see that the market dropped sharply, and you can see that from the IC Markets perspective, we got a perfect example of a breakout and retest trade. While with Oanda here, we got a confirmed broker charts manipulation. Checking the same trading setup on different brokers can help you to avoid the manipulations. My simple decision to examine more charts helped me to avoid a losing trade. I strictly recommend you doing the same thing before you place the trade. If you see a strong deviation of your charts from the charts of other brokers, be careful and vigilant. Probably it is not a good idea to open a trade, and probably you are facing the manipulation. Let me know, traders, if you have any questions. Let me know in the comment section if you have ever been trapped by the broker manipulations. Learn how to trade in my trading academy. For more info, check the link in the description below. Also, traders, please watch my other videos.